Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Faizzudeen bin Saidun Bakri with the matric number of BIB1011. Currently, I am the second year student taking the course of building surveying from the Faculty of Built Environment, University of Malaya. So today in this video, I am going to talk about the building services that are located in my house and justify the reason according to the guidelines. I will also talk about how the current building services make me comfortable and how to make this house a better place to live in with the help of building services. So first I will start by giving some brief about my house. This is my house, which is a single story building that is located in Ipoh, Perak. According to the 5th schedule from the UBBL, my house is under the purpose group 1, which is a small residential building. So now I will talk about the ventilation systems that are used in my house. As you can see from the layout of my house, there are 9 doors and 9 windows located inside the building. All the windows are either casement windows or sliding windows, so it can be opened anytime to allow the wind-based ventilation and provide natural ventilation into the house. According to the UBBL Bylaws 39, every room used for residential purpose must have natural ventilation not less than 5% of such floor area. As for the mechanical ventilation, there are 5 ceiling fans that are used in my house. There are also 4 air conditioning wall units that are using the split systems. Each unit have their own outdoor refrigeration units to remove the heat from the building. There is also a mechanical extract fan located at the kitchen. The guidelines used for the mechanical ventilation are from the UBBL Bylaws 41 and number 11 and 12 in the 3rd schedule of UBBL. It is stated that the minimum scale of fresh air ventilation with the requirements of ASHRAE standard 62 to 73 for residential building is 0.14 cmm per occupant. These ventilation systems help to improve the indoor air circulation and remove the heat inside of my house. It also helps to provide constant fresh air to the occupants. Next, I will talk about the distribution of electricity from the primary source to the place of residence. So the flow starts from the power plant, which is the general power station, to the power transmission, then to the power distribution, and lastly to my house. The three-phase system is used to distribute the electricity for my entire house. Electrical Regulation 1994 is the guideline used for the electrical system. Electrical supply is very crucial nowadays because most of the services are depending on the electricity. These include the television, refrigerators, and the internet. Now moving on to the lighting system, most of the artificial lighting in my house are using the standard fluorescent tube and only some of it are using the LED fluorescent tube. Next, all of the windows in my house are translucent, so they can provide enough natural lighting into the house during the day. Following the UBBL Bylaw 39, every room used for residential purpose must have natural lighting not less than 10% of such floor area. Lighting systems help to provide vision for people inside the house. For the last system, which is the fire safety system, there are no exact fire services that is currently installed in my house. According to Part 2 in 9th schedule of the UBBL, my house, which is under the purpose group 1, must have half an hour minimum period of fire resistance for elements of structure. As for the 7th, 8th and 9th schedules, there are no requirements stated for buildings under the purpose group 1. Fire safety is needed to ensure the safety of people inside the building. So how to make my house a better place with the help of building services? First, install a wind turbine ventilator at the top of the roof. It can help to extract the hot air inside the house by using the natural energy from the rising hot air. This can help to reduce the usage of mechanical ventilation, thus reducing the electrical energy consumption. Next, install solar power system into the house. This installation might be quite expensive, but it can provide the most cost-effective form of renewable energy for the house. Another improvement is by replacing all the old standard fluorescent lamp with compact fluorescent lamp, CFL. CFLs can reduce the amount of electricity used by 3/4 compared to standard fluorescent lamp. Lastly, fire extinguisher can be added into the house to increase the fire safety. So that's it for the video today. I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video and gain some information from it. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.